I found out about interventional radiology quite late in my medical education. Found out about it in September of last year. Knew that it was what I wanted to do as soon as I stepped foot in a little angio suite. And I spoke with my attending at the time and asked him, how do I learn more about interventional radiology? And he said, you have to go to SIR.
Definitely tell you, come here. There's like so much to learn. There's innovation happening. I learned about new inventions and patents and just new advances in IR that are happening that I would have never known about just reading in the paper.
Interventional radiology is the fastest growing specialty. When I come here, I learn new things, especially about team building and products. You know, I really appreciate it because you have the whole team here. You have doctors, nurses, and techs. There's always something new to learn. So coming to SIR helps me prevent burnout and to stay fresh.
Not only do I get to meet some amazing people, I get to learn so much from these amazing people as well. Not only people at my same level of education, but the people who I also look up to, who may be a mentor to me in the future. So that's been very important to me, and the amount of stuff I've learned has been absolutely immense.
If you want to go into IR, you have to come out here. You get hands-on experience holding the devices, you get exposure to so many people who are veterans in the field. You get a lot of great education with the seminars they have. I'm new to the field, I'm learning still, I'm a medical student, so having all of this in front of me is just inspiring.